So friends, hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the BNB Fort. So it's a new mining website. It's not a token, it's a yield website. We are going to talk about the stake BNB, my farm, rewards, frequently asked questions, check PDF, and here are some social websites where you can contact them like Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So friends, without wasting time, if you are new on the channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about all the new coming videos, and give your reviews in the comment section so that I may know which things I have to improve, and thumbs up to the video. So friends, let's get started. BNB Fort, time for BNB. So friends, here you can connect it with your wallet. You just have to tap to connect, and you can connect it to the wallet, and after that there are websites, you can contact them. After that, the total deposit, here you can see the 37.3835 total deposit BNB, and active participants are 70. Please connect with your BSC wallet app to see the site contents. Reload this page after connection, so you have to click to reload, and you can see that here you can see that BNB Fort is not a token. It's a new wheeled farm on Binance chain that allows you to receive passive income from staking. You can contact them on Telegram, and you can also do not show it again. So friends, you can stack your BNB to your wallet. Downloads, it's to quick install and easy to use, or you can see other options on this. So you can also see other options on this. In case of difficulties, our support team will be always glad to give you assistance. So here our support team is Telegram group and Facebook group. So friends, after that, the BNB Fort smart contract code has been successfully audited by independent companies Haze Crypto, which guarantees the protection of your assets from all the external risk. So Haze Crypto, blockchain security and development. So friends, here you can see some of the things like Progama, Solidity and contract. These are the things about it. You can see. After that, the community, here is the community. You can join on them on their Telegram, Facebook, and there are some frequently asked questions. If you have any problem, you can ask them questions about your problem. So friends, after that, BSC scan hazed, powered by BSC, secured of check and secured by SectGo. Smart contract address, here is the smart contract address. You just have to copy the link address, and yield farming on Binance chain and smart chain. So it was the BNB. Now we are going to make it in our website. So friends, here you can see that our token is here, and we have to search BNB Fort. Here is the BNB Fort. So you have to enter this, and after entering this, you have to add custom token. For adding custom token, you have to enter smart chain and enter the address. Here you will be able to see that each and everything will be added here, and this is the wrong PSC scan. So here is the right address. You have to make a copy of this, copy link text. So this is in the text, and you have to clear it first. After that, you have to paste this address here, so that your BNB Fort can be successfully added to your account. So friends, you have to wait for a while. After that, you can see here is the address, and everything will be done here automatically, and you can done. So it was a complete method to add this. And after that, friends, if you want to join their Telegram community, here are some FAQs. What is BNB Fort? So friends, if you want to know what is BNB Fort, we are a group of entrepreneurs who come together to develop a decentralized distribution system with the use of BNB. Here we all support each other to learn and teach about this new technology. Who owns and who created BNB Fort? So you can see the idea of BNB Fort was born from a wide group of entrepreneurs who wanted to have fair, honest and transparent distribution system for BNB. Here at BNB Fort, no one has privileges, everyone participates equally, and anyone can join the community. So how long BNB Fort lasts? BNB is designed for sustainability and longevity. All activity and distribution will be defined by the behavior of this community. The instruction of the BNB Fort system depend directly on the Proton blockchain, that who manage the blockchains group of entrepreneurs who has a team of developers expert on smart contract. What is a smart contract? They are instructions in code that are displayed in the Tron blockchain and instruction who provides against and does BNB provide guarantee. Yes, it's important that everyone understand and learn the instructions that BNB4 smart contract has. Every instruction can be modified and will always be executed as described. So friends, it was a video about it. Now we are going to take a look on the stack BNB. So here is the stack BNB. You can connect it to your wallet, and after that the rewards. It's a new web option. Here you can get rewards. So these are the rewards: launch grand Christmas offer at the 1000 BNB among the participants. So you can see that 1000 BNB will be distributed about the participants, and you can see BNB fort and each and every detail on this. And after that, frequently asked questions, check PDF and my farm. If you want to see the my farm, you can take a look on my farm, and this is the my farm wallet address, and you can see how much BNB I have withdraw, how much I have used, and how much I want to withdraw, and how much I want to send here. So friends, it was all about this. If you liked it, then press the like button and be a part of BNB Fort. It's all ends here. We will meet again. Bye for that time.